If I do get me a dual spool, I thought about just doing like what you said, get me like a 650, like a DRZ 650 or a KLR or something. KLX, whatever.
DR 650, KLR 650, XR 650.
XRs are like, I'd be good. I like that.
Those are all sick. Alright guys, gonna go show Caveman the single track. I've been on back on this single track since putting on the 12.2 sprocket, that I've been in full gear and really been able to notice what's going on. It definitely feels a lot better. Used to be first gear was still too high. Now first gear is almost too low in some spots. I mean, I knew it would be a drastic change, but it's a lot better now because I can plug it a lot more in first and it'll tractor. Whoa! I just got to stop and pick up some of these trees and stuff. With a little feather to clutch in second, I can tractor a little bit more. But it's also way drier than it's been in a while. I mean, I just feathered it and pulled up the front wheel in third and off that. So yeah, I think this gearing's gonna work out good. By the way, I don't know if you watched the pit bike video. We actually took the KX110 and the CRF110 out here. And somehow, by the grace of the motorcycle god, my big butt made it up this drop off on the CRF110. I had to put my feet down and help a little bit, but made it. I no longer feel like I'm burning up the clutch. We're taking baby steps getting this bike in the right direction. A skid plate, oversized tank, a few other things, and we'll be in good shape. A little softer tire would be nice. What do you think of it? Not too bad?
No, it's a little sketchy first time around it.
Yeah, you just gotta follow me first time around it and go slow.
Like this right here, I was like, oh shit. And we went out there in that little cliff drop you was talking about, dude, that's sketchy.
Yeah. I haven't came up it on the 2-stroke, but I've came up it on the 450, and I've came up it on the KLX or the CRF 110 when it's dry. I haven't went up it on the 2-stroke yet. It's sketch.
I wouldn't even try any of this if it was wet. As soon as you hit a root, you're down.
Yeah, right there's where I dislocated my shoulder.
Coming up to here?
Yeah, I hit a log and just, that's why I was gonna take a second. A lot of this stuff that's laying in the trail just fell this winter. It wasn't here before that. So we'll try to pick some of it up.
Yeah, but I like it, dude. I'm all about this single track, wood track and stuff now.
Yeah.
I love it. I want to do a lot of this here just because, like I was saying back in the day, I never took time to do it. So, we just never did do it. I want to take time to go do it. I do a lot of it. I like to do camera fish, I like to do a rusty thing.
Yeah, me too.
The only I've ever rust is side to side.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Me and my wife took a side by side with my brother's razor up there 2 or 3 times, and that's it. That's still, I mean, it's a good time. Like a little clamp thing?
I hear a beast roaring off in the distance. Let's go see what it might be. Oh, it's a green monster.